Hey everybody, it's Sam from Email Inboxer. So this is going to be the first part of several videos we're going to put out. Um, we literally get asked every day, how do we schedule appointments for our agency? So what we want to do is just kind of walk through the first thing. Today we're going to talk a little bit about uh, sources. So where do you get your data? Today I'm going to give you two sources that have really worked out excellent for us as far as data. I'm going to show you some results, kind of how you do it. So the first one I want to tell you about is called Lead Scrape. So I like to use data sources that everyone else is not using. I want to use scrapers, data sources that no one is using, so that we're not all mailing to the same list, right? So the first one, Lead Scrape. I have Lead Scrape for business. They also sell a little less dynamic source. It's a little slower. This thing is super fast, and I'll kind of show you some results. But in essence, how it works is you'll open the app. You actually download the app. I believe it's 99 bucks for the smaller version, and that scrapes from 3 different sources. And Lead Scrape Business scrapes from 7 different sources, and it's a lot quicker. It also validates emails as well. So you enter in, how it works is you enter in solar company, solar install company, or solar company. Let's see. Let's type in restaurants. So restaurant, the location that you want it in. You can actually upload a file to include multiple cities. I believe the limit is 10 as far as how many cities you can upload, but you basically can upload as many as you want and scrape as much data as you need. You'll put your output file, who you're looking for. You can extract emails and social media. You can deep search. It takes a little bit longer, but it goes even deeper to find emails and social media. It will verify emails for you, so that'll cut some costs. For 10,000 emails, I believe sometimes we can pay 150 bucks sometimes, so that's valuable too. So literally, you'll pay for this thing by using it one time. Extract reviews, advertising platforms. You just literally click search for business leads, and boom, it will come up with a spreadsheet a lot like this. This happens to be a solar list that we pulled. So these are solar companies that actually do installs. This is a crazy hot business to be in. It will pull name of the business, address, city, phone number. Here are all the emails. So what we're talking about here is emails, but you could actually use this list to call them as well. So all the emails, and let's see, I believe this list took me about maybe an hour to pull, and it looks like I got 4,400 4,400 contacts. So and I would say maybe 70-80% of those have emails. These are crazy valuable, guys. I can't tell you how valuable these lists are. That's the first thing. So we're collecting data right now. You can do, this is unlimited too, so you can go in one day and pull restaurants. Next one, solar companies, you name it, doctors, plastic surgeons, constantly pull data. We try to pull data, new data every single day. That's the first source. The second source I want to tell you about is called SERP Digger. And I've talked a little bit about this before, but how it works, it's super simple. You create your own custom search URL through Google. there are instructions once you sign up for SERP Digger. And SERP Digger is super cheap. I think it's $50 maybe, $60. I don't even know. Once you download it, you actually install this into Chrome, and you run this thing in incognito mode. So you will put in the keyword. So if we're looking for, and you can pull from Facebook, you can pull from Instagram, you can pull from any different source you want. And that's done through your custom search domain that you will make through Google. Super easy though, I promise. I know it looks complex, but it's not. So today, if we want to pull orthodontist and the @ pattern, we want to pull only Gmails. You can pull Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, any other custom domain you have or know about. And then you will post your location. So whatever cities, and what I'll do is I'll go pull in, between 50 and 100 of the largest cities in the country, or you could do smaller domains that maybe no one else, or I'm sorry, smaller locations that no one else is hitting. You can click deep search or not, and you just click start, and boom, it goes. It'll pull up the search results, and it'll automatically start acquiring these emails. So super easy way to gather 5, 10, 20,000 emails if you want, but it does it all by itself. You can take it away, and once it's finished, you actually have the ability to extract all the emails. So what was that, 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 53 emails. Incredibly valuable. We're passing this value to you. You also obviously need a way to send them. And so let me just tell you about, shamelessly tell you about this new program that we have right now, called our Seed Email service. How this works is, we actually give you, so you actually have the ability to use your normal email address if you want. If you're just sending, maybe 200, 300 emails a day, you don't need this massive email server to be able to send a ton of email out. If you do, we can also help you out with that. But what this does is we give you these email lists, and from there, you will insert those email lists, or my email lists, in with yours, and you will send your campaigns as normal, but you also send it to our list. And so what happens is we have people that will check your email, will read it, we will reply to it. If your email is sent to spam, we will actually take that email from spam and put it into the inbox, and then we will respond to that. So that is incredibly valuable. It's super cheap. Depending on your volume, you may only need about 60 of these, because if you send 300 or 400 emails a day, you only want to send to 50, maybe 60 of our seed emails, just to increase your stats. And once Gmail, Google, G Suite sees your emails are being read, delivered, responded to, they're more apt to continue delivering your emails to the inbox. So crazy valuable. If your emails are being delivered to the inbox, your campaigns will work. So we highly recommend it. It's super cheap. So between $60 a month, and I think the top package right now is $95 a month. Highly recommend it. I'm going to put a link to this thing below here. If you have any questions, you can also schedule a meeting with us just to kind of talk about your needs as well. But highly recommend it. I appreciate you watching. Next time, we will talk a little bit more about maybe lead generation and kind of platforms. So what you need to do in order to send cold emails and actually get them delivered. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.